Hi guys, it's me Hailey, and today I'm going to be doing this on my channel. And don't worry, it's just for fun. And I just wanted to say I think everybody's beautiful with or without makeup. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to see. It's me Hailey, and today I'm going to be doing my makeup. I already have foundation on. And yeah, I already have foundation on, but I'm going to keep on going. I used a Too Faced foundation, and yeah. Also, I'm just going to be doing regular makeup. It's just for fun, nothing serious. Okay, so I'm going to grab my Naked Urban Decay palette. Naked Urban Decay palette, and yeah, and use it. And I'm gonna be using Cover Buck, Naked, and I'm gonna be mixing Buck and Naked first. These two colors. They have names on them. Hold on. This color is Naked and this color Bumped. Those two colors I'm going to be using. So while I'm using them, I'm going to be using that. Well, I'll have to see. I'm mixing them, so I'm going to be, yeah. Let me put that out. So I'm gonna grab, and let me grab it. Colors Bunked and Naked, which I showed you previously. Bunked and Naked. And on my MAC palette, Crystal MAC palette, I use this brown and this little shimmery white. And I use that on this side, and then I blended it out neatly with my blending brush. I know I don't do it perfectly. Don't judge me in the comment section, but it's just the way I do it, and it ends up turning out fine. So we're just gonna repeat that onto the other eye. I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys in a quick second. Cut. And action. It sort of creates a crease for your eyes, and also makes your eyes look kind of not dead, but not so vibrant, which is what I'm going for, because I'm doing a natural kind of look, and these are kind of natural colors. So next, what I'm going to use is this. This is called Spank Me. Studio Eye Gloss. This is like for your, like, so you can help, so it helps stick the like glitter onto your eyes. And that's what I want because I'm gonna use glitter. It's kind of, it's like eyeshadow basically. So I'm just gonna put that on top of my eyeshadow already, and because I don't really have anything else. It's black, pitch black. But don't put it too over the brown. Like, that is fine. It doesn't have to be perfect because you won't be able to see it. Hold on, let me grab my mirror. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, as long as it's something. So, clean your hands after this. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that. Actually, I am. Okay, so now that I've done that, I know I have like some extra stuff, but I'll clean that up at the end. Now I'm gonna use this MAC thing. I don't know, it's not focusing, but it's MAC, and it doesn't say the name of it. It doesn't say a name, just nothing. So it's number 7 apparently. I think that's what it is. I don't know what it is. So it's really dusty. It's not like see, it's kind of hard to see. It's really like old. So it's in the light. It's transparent. So in the light it looks